There's one that stands in the image of the dog. There's the one hiding in the tortoise. There is someone, there's that one that hides in the image of the frog. So it is so dangerous for you to own those spirits. Maybe those animals are inside you. Inside of you there is a frog, there is a dog, there is a cat. So it would be good to purify yourself before. Tell your neighbor, purify yourself before. For when he comes, he is going to hold a stick. He shall hold a stick. The Bible doesn't say he held a broom. What he made a stick. He untied and made it a stick. For me, I didn't know how something they tied pains. As I was schooling, our mom could not accept us to be there at lunch hour. He could want us to go back home and eat, then we go back. One day I did not come back to eat. When I came back, she untied the belt. I felt the pain of the belt. Who has ever bitten by the belt? When they use a stick, it doesn't fold. But if they use the belt, it folds. She beat me with the belt and cut me. The Bible says that Jesus untied the cloak and then made it like a stick and started beating. So clean your house. In the simple way, was Jesus meets you, become a new creature. We read and we learned in the first service as Jesus was entering Jerusalem. I don't know how he's going to enter your life. There are those who accepted him. There are those who failed to accept. When he was entering, people held the palm leaves. And their clothes were put off. And they laid for Jesus. Why did they lay for him? Because they had seen him before. Tell him, your neighbor, that's one. The one they are seeing, they are laying so he may pass. Those who did not see him, they did lay. Say they were doing for the flesh because they used to see him. I want you to understand me. When Jesus was coming, they used to see him. And when they saw him, because of loving him, they put off their clothes, they put off all their, and then they laid for him. Because they are seeing him. Where they were not seeing him, they did not lay for him. I don't know whether it's the right look at it. Jerusalem was so big. But where Jesus was sent, they did not remove their clothes to lay for him. Those who are seeing him are the one who lays. For us, we are of the spirit. And the other clothes were of the flesh. But we of the spirit, how many people see Jesus? The The Bible tells you the one who comes to God, he is worthy to believe that Jesus exists. And whoever of the Spirit, you have to be with the spiritual eyes. When you're worshiping the Lord, the spiritual one, you can see him. The one who is not of the Spirit doesn't see him. That's why we serve the Lord we see. The Lord we know. Even if you worship the one you know. When we are laying our spiritual clothes, we take off everything and we lay it down.